What is up, guys? Justin Phillip here, and today I want to discuss why I believe the BlackMagic design battery grip is no bueno, and to reiterate the power of the Atomos power station. First of all, yeah, it's cool. I like the kitschiness of this battery grip with the BIMC 4K. However, there's a lot of qualms with it. One, you're gonna have to get a half cage to use that thing. Two, I don't really understand the need for wanting to try to make the BIMC 4K a travel camera or something. It's like, what is happening here? That's a cinema camera. I just have a lot of qualms with it. But my main qualm is the fact that, guys, those Sony MPFs, the 550s, those are like practically good for nothing. The only thing I use those on is the Shinobi, and that's because the Shinobi, I want to keep it light, I want to keep it small, but it has amazing battery life. So just to give you an idea, okay, these are the little baby MPF 550s. These are the ones that go inside of the BlackMagic battery grip. These are the 750s. That's why I use this Atomos power station, guys. Look, you're not limited to the size of MPFs that you can use with this thing. You know, look, I can use two, and let me tell you something. Using two of these, you maybe get, I don't know what it is exactly, guys. I'm working out here, okay? I don't have time to watch the clock when I'm shooting, but I think anywhere from 2 to 4 hours you get on two of these. So what's that mean? You're gonna get maybe an hour to 2 hours with the little baby MPFs? I don't know, man. I don't know if I would I don't know if it's worth the investment. That's what I'm saying. Plus this thing, I can plug two things into this. It has two outputs. So I can plug in my monitor and my camera into this. Plus this doubles as a rapid charger. You can, you know, charge both your MPFs, rapid pace. You can control the voltage on this thing. I have two USB ports as well. So if you have anything that runs off of bus power or USB power, or you need to charge your phone, you can plug those in as well. This has a thumb screw at the top, and it has a 3/4 20 thread at the bottom. So you can essentially put this on the bottom of your BlackMagic if you need, you know, some kind of battery grip kind of thing, and you're gonna get double the power out of this. Double the time, you know. And what I've done here, you'll notice I put a little Arca Swiss plate on the bottom so I can quickly attach to my shoulder rig, to my glide cam, and then I attach this NATO rail at the top for when I go to glide cam, and I can just simply attach my Shinobi ching ching with the NATO rail there, and then, you know, I make a very faux steady rig. Meaning, you know how you always see the pros in Hollywood have the battery and the monitor on the sled of the Steadicam. That's essentially what you're able to do. You just have more versatility with this. You're not connected to the camera, you know. I can go to steady rig, I can go to shoulder rig, I can put it anywhere I want, you know. When it's on the tripod, I put this in the Arca Swiss plate. That's how I attach it to the shoulder rig, and how I can attach it to little baby rails to the back of my camera when it's on the tripod, you know? And you just take this and you attach it like that. There you go. Now I can just slide it on to the back of my camera. Also, this one comes with LED readouts, so I can monitor when my batteries are getting low. I don't know. Makes sense to me. Like, again, if you've been watching my videos, you know I got this power station for $100 used. A buddy of mine here in LA, he got one for $90. And he got the whole package with it, because I only got the photo edition, which only comes with a couple dummy batteries. The video one comes with like 4 dummy batteries. And his is like practically brand new, okay? Mine was a little rough. But here's the thing, check it out on eBay. See if you can find the Atomos power station. But if you're so inclined to buy it brand new, check out my film kit bag below, and there's a link to it below. I just want to talk about that. You know, I just want to talk. Also, I do think it's funny that their battery grip is slightly similar to the Atomos power station, just in the fact that it takes these MPF batteries. I've never seen a battery grip that takes MPF batteries before, and I just thought it was funny. I'm like, oh, that's funny. It's very similar to the Atomos power station, and why it's funny is because if you've noticed in the NAB interviews that are going on right now, there's an interview with the CEO of Atomos, Jeremy, I don't know his last name, and he's kind of poo-pooing BlackMagic right now. There's a kind of a unheard of battle between ProRes RAW versus BlackMagic RAW, And I just found it funny. Also, he used to work for BlackMagic Design. The CEO of Atomos used to work for BlackMagic Design. So I just found it funny that their battery grip that BlackMagic Design put out, I just saw kind of similarities between that and the Atomos power station. I don't know, that just could be my own conspiracy theorist mind. However, I will not be purchasing that battery grip. To each their own. I hope you do, because just because of these things are going on, I'm not poo-pooing BlackMagic Design. I am still a fan of their cameras. I'm still a fan of the color science. I love BlackMagic. I just won't be purchasing the battery grip, and that is the reason why. As always, thank you for watching. Big shout out and gigantic thank you to all of my loyal subscribers. You guys rock. If you're new to this channel and you're thinking, wow, this guy's different, then feel free to hit the subscribe button. Till next time, that's a wrap.